Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn back to default tap duration settings in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to find this option? Of course, we need to go to settings first. Yes, now our tap duration is longer. We are looking for accessibility options, and here we have interaction and dexterity. And as you can see, our tap duration is extended to almost a 1 whole second. To change this option, we have to go here, and here we have a few options. For example, we can turn off this function, and now it's back to normal, to defaults, or we can simply change however we want. And if we change it, we need to enable it, of course. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.